to Father-Daughter Hour. We were here yesterday and we're back today. And how does that sound out there? Is that okay? All right. We should call this Daddy's Little Girl Hour, but it's not. This is, we're all fathers and daughters teams. Down at the far end is Matty and Deirdre Connolly, who come all the way from Queens, New York. Matty comes from County Monaghan, place called Scottstown. And Deirdre's from Queens, Maspeth and Queens.
And right now we're tuning.
And right next to, we have the Garden State of New Jersey, represented boldly and strongly by the Raffertys. Mary Rafferty from Hasbrook Heights, and Mike Rafferty, her dad, all the way from a place called Ballinkill in East Galway. Would you welcome Mike Rafferty? And on my right, Jim, where are you from? Newburgh. All the way from Newburgh, New York, which is exit 17 on the New York State Thruway, we have the pride of the upstate New Yorkers, Mary Coogan and her dad, Jim Coogan. And the best-looking father-daughter team up here, without a doubt, is my father, Joe Madden, all the way from Portumna in East Galway. And my name is Joanie Madden, and I was born in the Bronx and raised in Yorktown Heights in Westchester County in New York.
Have you?
And we're very, very fortunate to be joined by a great friend of ours and one of the true masters of the guitar. And he just happened to stop by to tell us that he was listening, going to be here to listen. And we grabbed him and have him joining us. Would you please give a great warm welcome to Mark Simos, all the way from Boston, Massachusetts. We're going to feature the Coogans right now. And hopefully you like it.
We're just going to play a couple of reels for you. The name of that first reel was the Humours of Carriga Halt, and the second one I just learned because it was just written by my daughter Mary. I think she calls it Glorious Ashes or something like that.
We're going to do a couple of tunes. The first tune is a waltz. Dad, you learned it from... I learned it from him, and he got it from the Ockram Slopes Kelly Band. And we're going to go in a couple reels after that. We don't know, what's the name of the first one? We don't know the name of the first one. And the second one is The Green Fields of America, or Molly Brannigan.
going to sing a song for you. I don't know if you really want to hear a song, but I'm going to sing one for you anyway. This particular song is one of my grandmother's favorites, so I had to learn it for her. Because every time I saw her or went to visit Ireland, it was always, do you have the Roxabone? Do you have the Roxabone? No, I don't have it yet, Grandma, but I finally learned it this summer. So hopefully somebody, is Coogie going to... Mark's going to join me on it. It's in C, right? In G, right? Come all ye loyal heroes, wherever you may be. Don't hire with any farmer till you know what your work might be. For you must rise up early from the clear daylight till dawn, or else you won't be able to plow the rocks of bone. Well, my shoes, they are well worn, and my stockings, they are thin, and my heart is always trembling for the fear they might give in. My heart is always trembling now from the clear daylight till dawn, in case I won't be able to plow the rocks of bone.
Deirdre Connolly, folks. We're going to go to Feast of the Raffertys and microphone number 4 again.
We're going to play 3 reels. The first one is associated with Noel Hill and Tony McMahon. I heard both of them playing them. or that reel that is. And the second one I learned from Dominic Rooney, a County Leitrim man, an accordion player. And the third one I got from Jack Cohn, a friend of mine in New York, and he called it a reel, and he wasn't far off. I noticed a lot of people around, but I noticed also a lot of recycling to be done. And in New Jersey that goes over big where I come from. Well, not originally, but anyway, I hear that they're going to recycle people. And just imagine, I could come back as a flute or even a set of pipes. Well, we're going to play these three reels for you anyway. Thank you.
Thank you, Joanie. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to do a song now that I learned from a gentleman who travelled from Chicago here all the way yesterday. His name is Packy McKenna, and I learned this song from him back in County Monaghan. Incidentally, his niece and sister-in-law and brother-in-law just walked in. They're on this side of the hall. Give them a nice round of applause, again from Chicago, okay? Maureen and Packy Mullen and Mrs. Dorn, right? Anyway, here we go with... Mark, I'm going to take this. Mark, I'm going to take this to the key, eh?
Can we have a big round of applause for he's going to catch a plane, Mr. Mark Simos here. Gave us a great hand.
Okay, Mary. Thanks, Mike. Okay. The key of A is only.
Go up to A. Or G. G.
Okay, sorry, mate. Down to G. Mike. G. Well, here I am, an Irishman, and an Irishman I'll never deny. For they say I was born in Tipperary, boys, 3,000 miles away. I was always hale and hearty, no matter where that I would be. I was forced to leave old Ireland and sail for o'er the sea. Hooray, my boys, hooray! For no more do I wish for to roam, for the sun that will shine in the hardest time, all to welcome poor Paddy home. Do you mind the old thatched cabin that stands on the side of the hill? There's money in store, there's whiskey galore, and how stranger he might have his still. In comes a faraway nation, and scattereth over the land. The old horse and the plough, the pig and the sow, all fall into the stranger's hand. Hooray, my boys, hooray! For no more do I wish for to roam, for the sun that will shine in the harvest time, all to welcome poor Paddy home. Now the Scotchman he boasts of his home, the Englishman boasts of his rose, but your Paddy boasts of his own native land, where the dear little shamrock grows, where the girls are gay and frisky. They'll all take you by the hand, saying, "Agra McCree, come along with me. You're welcome to Ireland." Hooray, my boys, hooray! For no more do I wish for to roam, for the sun that will shine in the harvest time, all to welcome poor Paddy home. I am a true-born Irishman, of that I will never deny. I was born in the sweet Tipperary, boys, 3,000 miles away. Hooray, my boys, hooray! For no more do I wish for to roam, for the sun that will shine in the hardest time. One more time, welcome poor Paddy home. Hooray, my boys, hooray! For no more do I wish for to roam, for the sun that will shine in the hardest time, all to welcome poor Paddy home. For the sun that will shine in the harvest time, to welcome poor Paddy home. Thank you.
Matty Connolly there, folks.